Welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn what is social bookmarking sites, the importance in SEO, and top 50 social bookmarking sites lists you should use for your SEO. If this is your first time of watching my video, I make videos on backlinks, just like the one you're watching right now, blogging tips, and how to make money online. So subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I make new videos. So back to the video. So what are social bookmarking sites? Social bookmarking sites are sites that allow users to save and organize links to web pages, articles, images, and videos. So a user can save whatever they want to save in a social bookmarking site, either privately or to the public or to other users. And as a result of that, it can drive traffic to your sites. Now, let's talk about the application or the uses of social bookmarking sites in SEO. 1. It can help index your backlinks or blog posts. When you post your website links or your blog post that does not be indexed on Google on a social bookmarking site, it can help to index your blog post. This is the reason social bookmarking sites are continuously crawled by search engine bots. So as a result of that, when it crawls on the site and it finds your link, it's going to help to index your blog post fast. Or you posted your backlinks, it can help to index your backlinks fast. Another thing is, for social bookmarking sites, it can help to increase your DA of your site. Once you post on social bookmarking sites and it gets indexed, it's going to help to increase the DA of your site. Another thing is increase in ranking. This can only be possible when the links, your website links you posted on a social bookmarking site has been indexed. This can increase your ranking depending on the keyword difficulty, of your post. For keyword difficulty that is kind of high, it may cause little or no increase in the ranking of your sites. But for low keyword difficulty, it can increase the ranking of your sites. I have used it and it worked for me. Then we have free backlinks. Free backlinks. This is very easy. Once you post your sites on a social bookmarking site, once you get indexed, you have gotten free backlinks from that site. Then for increase in traffic, this is no guarantee. For you to get traffic, to drive traffic from a social bookmarking site to your own site, where you post your link there, depends on the social bookmarking sites you post your links to. Let me say this. All social bookmarking sites, once you post your links, it will do these things. It will increase your DA and you get free backlinks. These two things are certain, and also index your blog post. These three things are certain that when you post your blog link to social bookmarking sites, it will definitely do these three things. But for this, it depends on the social bookmarking sites you post on. For example, Reddit and Pinterest. Reddit and Pinterest are known to drive traffic to sites where you post your links here. And not just that, it also depends on how you post your links there. In the coming videos, I'll be making tutorial on how to drive traffic or increase traffic using Reddit and Pinterest. So let me show you the top social bookmarking sites you should get links from. Top social bookmarking sites you should get links from. It can help to increase your DA, ranking, backlinks, index your backlinks, or blog posts. So these are the sites, top 50 top social bookmarking site lists you should use for SEO. So these are the sites you should use for your blog SEO. We have one, Stumble Upon, which is now known as Mix. This site is great for you to get backlinks on this site. But the only problem with this site is, after a few months of changing their name from Stumble Upon to Mix, it's limited its use in some countries. For example, in my country, Nigeria, after a few months of changing their name, I was not able to access my mix.com account. I was restricted. Another bookmarking site you should use is Reddit. As I've said before, I'll make a video on that. Another is LinkedIn. Another is then Pinterest. So what you're going to do is, I'll leave a link to this blog post in the description of this video, so you can go and see it. So you can go to this blog post. So you can build or place your links, or let's say your links on this top 10 or top 20 social bookmarking sites. This will definitely help in increasing your website traffic, index your blog posts, and the rest. So to use social bookmarking sites for SEO, you can either do it in this way. You can either use article. For example, you can use in Reddit, you can use article. You can write article there. You can also use image. You can also use your website links. And you can also use videos to get backlinks on these social bookmarking sites. And let's say from this top 20 social bookmarking sites, you can use articles, images, videos, website links to get links pointing to your own site on these social bookmarking sites. So once you've done that, it can help to increase the online visibility of your sites. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video. And if you have any question, comment below. I'll answer every of the questions you should ask. And if you need my link building services, check the description of this video. You'll find a link for my link building services. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.